Hi everyone, I recently found this piece of furniture and today I've decided to work on it. I love the shape of this. You can call it a side table or a nightstand table. It has some specific shapes and curves that I really enjoy. In any case, what I'm going to do today is clean it up and give it a new look by painting. So what I'm going to do is give it a good clean. It was on the sidewalk, so it has some dust on it, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean it up. I forgot to mention that it does have a drawer, and I will again clean that up as well. The best way for me to actually clean this piece is to turn it upside down so I can clean the inside. As you can see, you can do a better job of cleaning this piece if it's upside down, especially it's not a big piece. And so here I'm going to start to clean. What I'm going to use is a very simple cloth, water, some soap. So here starts the cleaning process. Just make sure the piece is clean before I start doing the paint. Very good shape, except for one area where I had to fix the leg. I just applied some glue, and I'm gonna wait for the glue to dry, and then I will start the painting process. So now that the piece is cleaned and glue is dried up, I'm gonna start the painting process. I'm using this brand. It's a Valspar Ultra. It's a high gloss paint combined with a primer, and the color is red. Here it goes. I'm going to open the can with a screwdriver. Hopefully you guys can see this, but technically I'm just opening the can. I shook the can up so I get a good consistency as far as the paint is concerned. And here it goes. Of course, in this particular case, you can pick any color that you like. I felt that this piece would look nice in a red. I'm not sure, looking at this color, if this is the right color for this piece. I think it's because the piece is came in original black color. The red is, I think what I'll need to do is actually paint it in white before I paint it in red. So I'll have to proceed with that. So we're going to start applying the white color. As I said, the red originally did not apply well on the black. So we'll give it a white color before we give it a second coat with the red. Painting to me is a very relaxing exercise. Just focus on the painting and nothing else. And that kind of like frees my mind. Free my mind, not freeze. Oh, I guess freeze as well. Again, like I said before, as far as the color of the paint, you can choose the paint, the color of the paint that you like. Just so you know, there are different textures of paint. You got the flat, you got the satin, you got the semi-gloss, and you got the gloss. Of course, you can look up the definition of these different type of paints so you can understand which effect you would like to see on the piece. Do you want a flat looking simple? Then you go flat, satin as well. Gloss, as you understand, or gloss is gloss is like a little shiny. Semi-gloss is a little less shiny, and so forth. So depending on the look that you're looking for, you pick accordingly the type of paint, and you just apply it. Simple strokes. So I've turned the side table upside down, actually the opposite way. And I'm going to start painting. So after the first coat, it's pretty much dry to paint. As you can see, I've turned the side table upside down so I can reach the surface. As you can see, I'm almost coming to an end of the painting the last remaining part of the piece. Come back to it in a little bit later so I can do the final touches and give you a view of it. As you can see, this is the final product. Came out pretty nice. I've kept the drawers in its original state just to create contrast.